Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be the last Halloween look that I do for the year, which I decided to do something a little more simple for you guys. So if you can't find a Halloween look and it's literally the last minute, this is super simple, super easy. Anybody could do this. Anybody could do this. And this is literally a skirt that I got from Claire. You just put it over. I wanted to look for a white one, but I couldn't find it anywhere because it's coming to the end of Halloween, so everybody kind of like bought everything. So instead I got the red one. So this is super simple, super easy. I hope that you guys enjoy this look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you guys have an amazing Halloween. Bye! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is the final look of me doing a Halloween look. Today we're doing Pennywise, well, my style Pennywise. This is something more simple for somebody that wants something super quick and easy. So I had a full face on already, well, natural face, so I wanted to build it up a little bit. So I use Morphe Palette 35O. And I smoked it out of my crease a little bit just to create a little bit more drama for your mama. Just kidding. So yeah, I wanted to create more of a smoky eye, so I did go and I used a darker brown than what I had out originally. So then after that, I decided to do red lipstick. This is the second time I wear red lipstick on a Halloween look from the previous one that I made. But anyways, so this one's from MAC. I'll link down below the color that I use. You don't have to use this one necessarily. This is just the one that I wanted to use just because I wanted to do an ombre look to the actual look that I was doing. So yeah. So after that, I did use a darker one, like I said, and I literally just put it in the edges just to make it a little bit more drama. More drama for your mama. After that, I just literally pat it down and kind of like blend it. It doesn't have to be perfect because at the end of the day, it's going to be a Halloween look. No Halloween look is perfect. You literally live and learn and just do what you got to do. So then I did go back with that first red lipstick that I put on, and I kind of made like the squiggly lines that Pennywise has in the movie. And I did use this brush is more, you can find this at Michael's. It's like a paint brush. They have so many different ones that you can use to create these type of looks. But yeah, so I did mess up a little bit on the eyebrows because they don't match up, but of course they don't have to match up again. This is my version of the Halloween look that I'm doing for you guys. You don't have to go step by step. You could do whatever you want, whatever please your boat. But anyways, so then I started kind of like blending it out, smudging it out a little bit. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. It could be your own version of Pennywise. And then what I'm planning on doing is bringing it to the lip as well, just to kind of make it seem like it's all coming all together. And then I did smudge it out more, and the darker color that I used on the edges of my lips, I decided to put that in certain areas, like I'm doing there with the mouth in the corners. Then I brought it by my eyebrows, and I also use it underneath my lash line just to kind of create some depth to the makeup look. Excuse me. So then after that, I did also go back a little bit more with the brush just to blend everything else and to give it a little bit of shadow, to blend everything else, to kind of like ombre the whole darker and light tones together. And then after that, I did use my Revolution palette that I got to kind of just make some what's the word that I'm looking for? Some pop to the whole look, and I also did paint my nose red as well. And I did go back again with the darker lip to make it pop. And after that, I didn't use the same brush. I used a different brush to create the nose. And then I did use a small brush to create some shadows. So I'm using a dark shadow that I used on my crease already for those squiggly lines to pop a little bit. So I'm using my Makeuprevolution palette that I got. It's more like special effects. Everything's kind of like water paint cream shadows that you can use to create Halloween looks. So I did use the white one. I did use the dark red. Well, the two dark reds. They're gonna go back and just blend a little bit, add more red to it, just to make everything pop. And then I did use a white paint just to make everything a little bit more like to pop more and a little bit more dramatic. Um, not nothing too crazy, just little things here and there that will make the look more to stand out more. So then after that, I did use the same brown shadow that I used on my crease all over my underneath my lash line. And then I decided to use that lipstick that I used again, and I placed it underneath my lash line and blended everything out. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Nothing has to be perfect because it's Halloween. So yeah. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Let me know what you guys thought about all my Halloween looks. I feel like with my time management this year, it's been like, it's either I do good one week where I'm on top of everything, and then there's other weeks that I'm just like all over the place. I'm trying so hard not to do that, and I'm trying my best to kind of be on top of everything that I'm doing. So I promise for next year, guys, I will try my best to start a little bit earlier because I had so many ideas running through my head. I was supposed to create 6 looks this year, and I was only able to create 3 looks. Not only because I wanted to do so many different looks, it's just like my time skills, my time management wasn't that great. So I promise next year that I will try my best to start early and do 6 looks like I was supposed to do this year, but hey, things happen. But yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. And yeah, have fun for Halloween, guys. I don't know what I'm doing yet, but hey, probably giving candy or going to get candy. Who knows? Because I love being a little kid and I love Halloween, and it's one of my favorite seasons ever because I could kind of like just do whatever the hell I want without being judged or people being annoying. So yeah, so finally, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, rock on. See you guys in the next video. Bye.